Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to perform two Power Query text function to check is it a leap year or is it year till date. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this. So we go to transform data, and in the transform data I have a date table. Let's quickly look at it, what this date table is. So this is there from 2019 to 2022. So let's quickly go ahead and check it out. So let's first of all check how we can check for a leap year. So we create a custom column, and here we check for is leap year. Okay, and I'm going to check date dot is in, just check for leap. First of all, let's start typing leap. Okay, is leap year. Date.IsLeapYear is the test, and let's see what all parameter it needs. So it needs date time. So I have a date with me. I'm going to give it that, and let me say okay, and it returns false. So this is 2019 for us because we have started. So after 365 days, let's see what happens. So we are reaching there, and this is true. Okay, so 2020 is a leap year. If I scroll here, you will see the dates of 2022, and here it was false. So it was false and then it became true. Okay, and then further if you scroll down, you will see it start again back, coming back to false. Okay, so now we got that, we know this is true. So now what we need here is, now we have to check for year till date. So what I'm going to do is to check that, I go to advanced editor and let me reduce the date, and let me create it from 2020 12/31 till 2022. Okay, so that we can quickly check it out. Now what we are going to check now, is it year till date, is in year till date. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to create a custom column and check is YTD. Okay, and the function for that is date dot, let's check for something like year till date. We do have, okay, is in year to date, and that's the function we have. And let's go ahead, and so if you don't remember, that's why I'm showing you, if you don't remember the exact name, sometime I remember the function but I don't remember the exact name, so we can type and search it. Okay, so uh, so is in year to date, that's what we have done it. Now we press okay. So December is the month. Okay, now we are getting an error out here. Let's look what is the error. Click on the error and we say date record was not found. Okay, we cross this error. Let's go back to here. Let's go back to this column, double click and open it. Let's see what is the function it requires. So it requires date. Does it require anything else? No. Date node is in date. Okay, let's see first. Actually it requires date time, so we are going to give our date. Okay, I think I by mistake might have given the small date. Okay, yes, I have by mistake given the small date, and please remember Power Query is case sensitive, and if we don't give the correct date. So let's scroll and see where does it becomes false. So I am recording this in April month on, let's see. Okay, so 10th April, which is today, we have done all this. So till today, this is the first place where it is false. So okay, so 10th April I'm recording. So on before that, all the dates for this years are true. So go ahead and try this out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.